You are going to love the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, stability control, heated seats, trip odometer, trip computer, auxiliary audio input, tachometer, rear view camera, push button start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.